Okay, guys. Purpose of this video is I want you guys to hear from a different angle why it's important to, activate and mobilize your body, and understand that hopping on a treadmill is not defined as activation. Just because I'm sweaty does not mean I'm activated for a lower body squat day or upper body push day. It's a little bit more than that in terms of activating your body. Back when I first started running boot camps outside around 2013 and 14, this video really helped me to understand or give me a basis or a foundation over what it takes to warm somebody up. So this is me sharing it with you guys.
So I'm going to talk you through some basic warm-up movements for a boot camp. Whether you're doing a boot camp or a workout at home, it's really important that you warm up your body. Sometimes there's a misconception that being hot actually means you're warmed up. And just being hot doesn't mean you're actually prepared to start working out. What you want to do is increase your circulation. By increasing your circulation, elevating your heart rate, you're just going to get the blood flowing to all the major muscle groups of your body. It's going to make your muscles more pliable, your connective tissues more elastic, which just basically means when you start moving your body, you're less likely to injure yourself. You're going to be able to get greater range of motion, and therefore the exercises themselves will be more effective. Your warm-up exercises should reflect what you're going to do in your workout. So for example, if you're going to do a lower body workout, you want to do mostly lower body exercises in the warm-up, and vice versa. If it's upper body, you're going to focus on upper body. Most boot camps are going to be a total body workout. That's what's so great about them. So just make sure in the warm-up for boot camp, you're working your entire body, all the major muscle groups, all of the joints. And you want to move through all planes of motion. So you've got your movement in the sagittal plane where you're going forward and backwards. You've got movement in the frontal plane going side to side. And then you want to do some movement in the transverse plane where you're rotating your body. So for example, we could do a lunge, which is going to move our body forward, move our body back, and it's going to prepare for maybe running forward and even sprinting, anything that's going to be moving forward through space. And then you want to make sure you work up the sides of the body. So taking like a lateral lunge or even a jumping jack, where you're working in that frontal plane, you're getting action in your hip joint, your shoulder joint. Again, it's also going to elevate your heart rate and therefore increase circulation. And maybe adding a rotation to one of the lunges. So you start to warm up your core, your obliques, and get that transitional rotation work. Again, just moving your entire body, getting yourself revved up and ready for the workout.
Hope that helped.